In 1665, according to his notebook, Newton decided to conduct research with a glass prism that he had obtained at the Stourbridge Fair, an annual market held in Cambridge. He darkened his study and let a narrow beam of sunlight pass through a round hole, about 1/3 part of an inch broad, 8.5 millimetres in diameter, in the shutters. Next, he placed the prism in the sunbeam. As expected, he then saw a rainbow projected on the opposite wall, or, in his own words, a coloured image of the sun. He verified that a second prism placed out the wall was able to project back white light. In other words, the splitting of light was reversible. From this homemade rainbow, he was the first to correctly infer that white light comprises 7 colours: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. We now know that these colours compose the visible part of a broader electromagnetic spectrum that covers other forms of light waves we cannot see, such as infrared, radio, gamma, microwaves and ultraviolet radiation. Newton's findings shattered many beliefs. During antiquity and the Middle Ages, the rainbow's wondrous colours, grandiose size, ephemeral existence and connections to sunlight and rain stood as irrefutable proof of the majestic and inscrutable power of the gods. The inability of humans to explain it gave rise to countless myths. The Greeks, and later the Romans, believed that the rainbow was a path made by the messenger iris from heaven to earth. In Irish folklore, the leprechaun, a solitary and mischievous little fairy, a bearded shoemaker dressed in green, hides a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The point is that there are as many rainbow myths as cultures. As amusing as these myths may sound in our present era, based on rational experimentation, they did play a role in providing some explanation for why that luminous arc appeared up in the sky. Light itself was very puzzling for a long time. Lens-shaped objects with light-bending properties have been found in archaeological sites in the eastern Mediterranean since the Bronze Age.